Hello students. Today we will discuss about parts of flower. Flower vary in size, shape and color. But all flowers have the some basic parts. The main parts of flowers are: one is pedicel, second one is calyx or sepals. Third part is corolla or petals. Fourth one is bee stamen, and the last fifth one part of flower is pistils. So first one we will discuss about the pedicel. The flower is borne on a stalk. This part is known as pedicel. The uppermost end of the pedicel is swollen, and this swollen part of a pedicel is known as thalamus. It bears all the four whorls of a flower. So this thalamus part is very important part. Now next one is calyx or sepals. The outermost whorl of the flower is sepals. It consists of leaf-like structures called sepals. Sepals are usually green in color. Calyx also protect the flower during the bud stage. Corolla or petals. Corolla is the second whorl of a flower. Each segment of the corolla is known as petals. Petals are usually brightly colored due to presence of pigments. The bright color, sweet smell and the nectar attract the insects toward petals. Now the third part, androecium or stamen. It is the third floral whorl which is composed of one or more male reproductive organs called stamens. Each each stamen consists of a thin stalk called filament and two-lobed head called anther. The anther and filament are connected by a connective tissue. Each anther lobe has two pollen sacs which are filled with pollen grains. Pollen grains are minute in size and take part in reproduction process. Fourth one, gynoecium or pistils. Gynoecium is the fourth whorl of a flower, which is composed of one or more female reproductive organs called carpels. Each carpel consists of an ovary, style, and stigma. The stigma is the terminal part of the pistil. It is sticky, rough, and hairy. Stigma is meant for receiving pollen grains during pollination process. The style is the thread-like structure which connect the stigma with the ovary. It is meant for raising the level of stigma. The basal swollen part of a pistil is called ovary. The ovary bears ovules on a swollen tissue called placenta. Each ovule contains the female reproductive cell or eggs.